Okay, my beautiful students, let's answer this question that we have on the board. The question says, find the derivative of y equal to sine square 5s with respect to x. And we are given the options. So what are we going to do? How do we solve such problem? Okay. Solution, we have y is given as what? Sine square 5x. The first thing you are going to do is what? Because the sine of this 5s is 2. So assign that u is equal to what? Sine of what? 5x. Okay? U is equal to what? Sine 5x. So since u is equal to sine 5x, we are going to get du dx. And what is du dx? Whenever you are giving something like this, a number, and you are having sine of a number, bring that number out, which is this, differentiate sine to get cos, then write this thing back, which is what? 5x. That is how to differentiate this kind of what? Function. Okay? Then another thing now is what? To say that y is equal to, since you say that sine 5s is 2 and sine 5s is u, so this thing means we have sine 5s and another sine 5s. Square means it is 2. Okay, so we are going to have what? U square here. What is u square? Since sine 5s is what? U, and we have it square here, it means that sine 5s, which is u, is what? Squared. That is what I did here. So what is the y du? Can see y and u. We are going to have 2u. Okay, so if you are differentiating this, bring this into this place, multiply it with a number we have here, which is invisible 1, minus it 1, we are going to have what? 1 here. Okay, now we are getting dy du as what? Tu. So to obtain your dy dx, okay, which is what? Find the derivative of what? Derivative means what? Dy dx. Okay, so of this, it means we are going to use this formula, dy du, which is this, multiply by what? Du dx. Okay, du dx. Multiply this and this, you get your answer. So this will give me dy du is what? 2u multiplied by du dx. Du dx is equal to what? 5 cos of what? 5x. Okay, so 2 times 5 is what? 10. We have u cos of what? 5 what? X. This is 10. What is u? I want to express this in terms of x. U is given as what? Sine 5x. So this u means what? Sine of what? 5x. That is u. U means sine 5x. What we have after this u is what? Cos of what? 5x. Therefore, dy dx is equal to what? 10 sine 5s cos 5x. So let's check. 10 sine 5s cos 5x. Okay, so the answer is what? A. Now, what is the shortcut of this problem? Assuming you want to use your shortcut to solve this problem, what are you going to do? Okay, the first thing you are going to do is what? For the shortcut, bring these 2 outside, so we have 2. Okay, multiply by, now bring this sine of 5x. Okay, bring it outside, we have what? Sine of what? 5x. Okay, now differentiate this sine to get what? Cos. But before then, bring this 5 outside, we have what? 5 multiplied by, differentiate this sign, you are going to get what? Cos, and write your 5s, which is what? 5x. Okay, so 2 times this is what? 10. We now have sine of what? 5x, which is this, cos of what? 5 what? X. Okay, now look at this option and look at this option, they are still the same thing. I repeat, bring this particular power out, which is this. Okay, write your sign, see your sign, put your 5x here. Okay, differentiate sign. But before you differentiate sign, break this number out. Then differentiate sign to get what? Cos. Okay? Write your 5x again. So 2 times 5 is what? 10. That is this 10. Sin 5x and cos 5x. And this gives you the answer. See you in the next video.